Hey, what's up, my YouTube fam? This is Larry with Invest and Build Your Credited Wealth, and I'm back. I'm sorry for, the last couple weeks. It's really been hectic, a lot of stuff going on, having a house built. So that's been kind of dealing with builders and all that other type of stuff. So that's been taken. And also, I have been getting a lot of emails. As this channel continues to grow, more and more people are reaching out to me. More and more people are asking me questions. Appreciate the content that I'm bringing, this honest credit repair content, show you different strategies, show you how you can, improve your credit. That's really my mission, my goal, and that's my passion. So I have been taking a lot of calls, people that I've talked to. You can shoot a little comment, say, let them know, how do I reach out to you? Do I reach out? Do I take the time out to talk to the people that reach out to me? Typically, email. If you email me, I'll definitely email you back, leave you my contact information, and we can set up something. I don't have a problem reviewing your credit, telling you different strategies that you can use, totally free. It's a blessing for me to help you, right? Because I've been there, honest, been there, done that. It's changed my life, and I wanted to be able to pass this on to you so it could change yours, right? Because credit is the access to money, man. If you don't have the access to money, how do you grow your wealth, right? So how do you be able to build on your empire when you can't even access money because of your credit, right? Hard to build a business. Even with business, a lot of times it's hard getting certain credit because eventually, the more money you want, eventually they're going to want to look at your personal credit. It is what it is, right? So we can try to get around it, but at some point it's going to come back to bite you. So my job is to get you there so it doesn't, right? So, but anyway, I thank you for all my new subscribers as this channel continues to grow. I appreciate you. Continue to like, subscribe, and to share. Like, subscribe, and share. Woo! I really appreciate y'all, and I will continue to bring out good information. Today, we're going to talk about some illegal debt collection companies that have been shut down in the New York area. So I definitely want to kind of cover that with y'all and go over. So all my people out up there on the East Coast, up there in the New York and that surrounding areas, we're going to talk about some debt collection companies that have been shut down by the New York Attorney General. And if you've had any dealings with this company, what should you do if you paid these debt collection companies? How you can get restitution and get that money back because they did it illegally. So that's, me, I'm always trying to look for articles like this, class action lawsuits, people companies that are doing things illegal and getting in your pockets and taking money from you illegally. So I try to look for these different things and bring it to you. So I'm gonna read a little article to you about these debt collectors up there in the Northeast area and what you could do about it. So the New York Attorney General Letitia James was shutting down some illegal debt collection businesses operating in Western New York. The AG has come to an agreement with the Buffalo-based debt collector. His first name is Andrew, last name is Fanelli, and his companies, Northwood Asset Management Group, LLC, Pinnacle Asset Recovery Group, LLC, and Clottery Pay, LLC, Koalaty, Clottery. Their permanent ban them from future debt collections. Mr. Andrew is also required to dissolve all his companies within 6 months and pay $1.2 million to the OAG in restitutions and penalties. According to the AG, they have calls recorded revealed collectors working for these companies using illegal tactics to collect debt, which included false threats of criminal action, wage garnishment, driver's license suspensions, and lawsuits. Come on now. These debt collection companies, you have to understand, list consumers, you have to understand your rights when it comes to debt collectors. Somebody calling you, threatening you to pay, they are violating. Get their name, get their phone number, be smooth about it. Excuse me, what company do you work for? Hey, what is the callback number? Because I definitely just feed them something. I want to pay you back, but I need a callback number, right? You got to turn in these companies, right? Turn them into your state attorney general that they called and threatened you to pay a debt. Isn't that under a violation of the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act? You got to turn these people in because they already be doing some foul stuff, and we know that, right? That's why you gotta be on your game and understand what their rights are, what your rights are, what they can do, what they do. Are they the owner of the debt? Do they own this debt? Do they have proper documentation to be collecting this debt? All that stuff you need to understand before you just be out paying these guys, right? So the Attorney General said New Yorkers can trust that she will always stand up for the most vulnerable, especially when their wallets are at risk. While illegal debt collectors have used Buffalo as their hub of operation for illicit conduct for years, we are continuing to fight back, shut down these companies one by one. The unlawful behavior penetrated by Andrew and his company defrauded consumers, but this arrangement would end their illegal behavior once and for all. I encourage anyone who has fallen victim to these deceptive debt collectors to immediately file a claim with our office to recover what unlawfully was taken from you. Right? This Attorney General is not playing with these debt collectors. And if one of these collectors, the debt collectors that I name, and I'm going to post their names up, if any of these guys, you need to reach out. There may be some restitution back to you and get that money back from you. They illegally took that money from you. The Attorney General said any consumer who has have been subject to this illegal tactic by Northwood Asset Management Group may be entitled to restitution. File a claim. File a claim. So again, when these debt collectors calling you or sending you letters, you need to make sure that they're following the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act. Don't let them call you, threaten you, making you feel bad about paying a debt. You don't pay your bills. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. We're going to send you out for a summons. All that's a violation. They can't do that. So don't let them get away with it. Find out the name of their company. Get their phone numbers. Call them back. Say, well, I'm not sure if this is legitimate. Can I get your number and can I call you right back? Get their numbers. Do all the things you need to do so we can shut these companies down out there illegally taking people's money and probably on debt that they don't even have a right to. So I definitely want to bring out short little videos. I definitely going to be bringing out more video. I got some more stuff I'm going to be bringing y'all. I know I keep talking about investing. I definitely want to kind of start bringing out the beginners step one of what you want to do, why you want to do it, kind of show you my portfolio. I definitely need to start showing you what you could do. Now is a great time. The stock market has been doing some corrections. There's some great companies that have some great entry points to buy in and get in right now. So I definitely want to start bringing y'all more of that kind of content because, even though you get your credit right, you need to be investing in yourself. And I'm big on that. I mean, again, and I know I've mentioned this in other videos. Last year, I started with 100. 10 months later, I had 26,000. End up taking some money out of there, buying me a car, buying me a Mercedes, a C63S, do some performance stuff to it. Also, did some upgrades on our house before we sold it. My brokerage account went down to $79 of 26, and it's in July. And here it is, August is back up to over, I think like 10.5 in my brokerage account again. So it's all about investing, man. It's all about putting money back into yourself, investing back into you. But I wanted to bring you this. If you have any questions, if you want my master dispute package, has everything in there. Any information that I put in that package. Any new information, I put in that package. Even new strategies, I put in that package. So if you want that package, reach out to me, shoot me an email. It's got everything in there. Metro 2, Fair Credit Reporting Act, Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, the Model Protection Act for medical debt, the Model Medical Protection Act guide in there. It's got affidavits. It's got restrictive endorsement letters, show you how to settle debt and get it off your remove. It's got letters in there. It's got information, FICO. It's got all kind of stuff in there to help you understand credit in a broader aspect, right? To show you how to put a dispute letter together. All this stuff is in this package. So I'm definitely working on putting it in a book format to really break down everything. That's the next thing. I've got so much information. I know it'd be a great book to be out there selling, and that's my next project. So if you need that, if you just need certain letters out of there, if you just need affidavits or restrictive endorsement letters because you want to settle debts and you want to get it off your credit report, reach out to me. I got you. And I will help you through that process, right? It's important for me to guide you through it. If you need help, it's my job to guide you through that process. So I'm here. So you know the deal though, but you got to like, subscribe, and share. I'm probably going to be having a Christmas giveaway. So I'm definitely going to probably have a little contest and a Christmas giveaway for that master dispute package too. So I may be doing that later on down the line. Or I may just give an extraordinary discount to get that package. So I'm looking to see what I want to do. I may drop it down to a really low cost to get it out to a bunch of people, to help a bunch of people out during Christmas. So you can go into 2022 getting that credit right. Then that's what I want to do. So I appreciate you hanging out. I am going to be getting more content out for you. Thank you, all my new subscribers. Please subscribe, like, and share. Please hit the thumbs up, man. I appreciate y'all. I can't tell you enough. And I want to continue to grow this channel. And I'm definitely going to be putting more videos out on how to build credit and what you should do to build your credit. So I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed week. And I'll be back at you real soon.